Today we're going to take a look at one of the designs we came up with. Here's a look at the sketch that we did. It's a ranch house with a ladder light which kind of runs parallel with the LEED certification. Here's a look at the rough sketches on the back side of the north view of the building. You'll be getting to get a feel of the building as we move forward. Here's the floor plan with some of the square footage. It's a pretty big home to be a ranch, but we make it work. Here's an old sketch we were working on. We were actually looking to put a balcony on the roof, but we're still deciding if it'll work for the building. Here's a sketch of the kitchen, actually. Just some ideas of what we wanted to come up with. The casework, the kitchen island. Now you're looking at the actual building in its environment. You can notice it's the big balcony. Notice also that the ranch home overlooks a river as well. And here's a look at the back side of the home. It's the north view, and you notice, just the engagement the builder has with the environment. Right here, we're looking at the bedroom one. It's a small, of course, bedroom, but it fits and it works. Same with bedroom two. It works for the individual that wants to sleep there. It's nothing special, just a bedroom. Here's a look at the master bath that we're actually working on ideas right now to see what'll work for it. We're going to walk through the kitchen. You notice the kitchen is actually overlooking the river. Here's a look at the bath. Here's a look at the master bedroom.